कोरोना की बढ़ती रफ्तार को देखते हुए जहां हर राज्य अपने तरीके से बचाव के तरीकों की तैयारियों में जुटा है, उसी तर्ज पर मेघालय सरकार भी पूरे एक्शन मोड पर काम कर रही है। गुरुवार मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड संगमा मेघालय की गारो पहाड़ी जिले तुरा में कोरोना महामारी से निपटने की तैयारियों का जायजा लेने पहुंचे। उन्होंने तुरा सिविल अस्पताल समेत ऑक्सीजन प्लांट स्थापित किए जाने वाले साइट के समेत निर्माणाधीन अंतर राज्य बस टर्मिनल का भी जायजा लिया ताकि आपातकालीन स्थिति में हर जरूरी चीजें पूरी तरह तैयार रहे।
Baik, sans tengah baik, dua tengah macam mana? You know, baik tu facility semua, baik tu betul.
You know, 10 beds. 10 beds.
10 on each side. 5 with 5, so 10. And then I'll see over here. 8 है. So मतलब
Yes, we had a review with the high-level COVID committee here for West Garo Hills and for Tura specifically. In that meeting, we have discussed regarding the preparedness of the health infrastructure in case the numbers go up, and overall the preparedness has been quite satisfactory, but still we are ensuring that as much addition that can be done, we are working on it to ensure that more facilities are added. At the same time, we've just come and visited the Mother and Child Hospital also, and here also the isolation ward and the ICU ward and other facilities also are being looked into. So overall, after this we will be visiting the civil hospital as well as the Smelsi, which is going to be the Corona Care Center. The idea is to really make sure that as a town, Tura town is prepared for any kind of situation, but most important is that we need to ensure that this entire matter is contained so that the numbers do not rise to any large extent. Thank you.
Sudah kasih saksa doang saya mau declare karena mana dia namanya. LSS.
You stuff yourself at a friend's wedding. Huh? And then you start dieting. See? Sometimes we eat more, sometimes we eat less. That's why the all-new Britannia NutriChoice Thin Arrowroot, the balanced biscuit. Light, crispy with arrowroot. Nothing more, nothing less for a happy stomach.
you want me to say anything? चलो हाय
अभी तो COVID patients are everywhere in the houses only. So but
because the care will be easier, na?
Easier.
Our doctors are closer.
फैमिली मेंबर्स बोले थे कि यार यहाँ थोड़ा सा दूर हो जाएगा, मैं सोच रहा हूँ वहाँ बनाते हैं इधर।
हाँ, उसने तो वही बोला था मुझे विजय ने, फिर बाद में उन्होंने कहा कि विल नॉट डू इट इन
We've just visited ISBT, where the site for the biomedical waste incinerator is being prepared. This is a 4 crore project which has already been sanctioned, and the work also has started. So I've just come to see the work, and we're hopeful that within a few months the work for this also will be completed. This is something that was very much needed because a lot of biomedical waste is there which needs to be disposed of safely. So once this comes up, that objective will be met.